Yo, what's up my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So today we're gonna react to Snowman. This song is called Empire. So I've heard that rumors are spreading that this song within a day it has amassed of 9 million views, and 2 days afterwards it now have accumulated 14 million views, bro. That's crazy. So I would like to see the hype of this song. I would like to know why so many people view this song. Why are the click rate so big? Why are the odds so major, right? Also, I'm a Jamaican, right? And I have a question to ask everyone who is watching this video. So anyone here who is watching this video knows the legend Bob Marley? Please let me know down in the comments, and I'll be happy to see how of a fan you are to Bob Marley and what inspiration his music gives unto you, why you became a fan of Bob Marley's music. So without further ado, let's take a walk into the Snowman's world. Peace. Alright, this seems great though. Alright, I love this. Alright, I do respect them though. Nice. One thing I respect about them, they're always jovial, bro, to be honest. Always neat, to be exact. Yo! This is exciting! Yo! I was waiting, bro. It's like 2 months now since I've reacted to a music from them, right? But the long wait has been over now, right? And with the comeback they came back with, it is magnificent.
New brag, come and kill me now. What's your name? Original no flow, this is what I'm gonna DNA. Everything is not a fiction.
Yo, the Kings are back, bro. Back, back, back.
Watch me keep it here, yeah. Me lie and no expect. Ain't nobody stop us now. Cool and no risk.
They are neat as Ra, ra, ra. Yo, the neatness, the music, it's very enjoyable, bro. Trust me on that. Oh my god. Yo, yo.
Every step is not a fiction. Watch me keep it real, yeah. Yeah, let me the way, breaking through the haze, shouting the nightmares, facing the axis.
Yo, so smooth. Yo, bro's voice is so smooth, but it's raspy. It's giving that energetic feeling. Yo, I do not know these guys personally, but the music they've given us, it led me to know them even more differently from the personality thing of knowing them. But bro, I love the music so much by these guys. Trust me, yo, the Snowman, they never yet disappoints. Yo, this is so yo, the excitement, the hype is now on and on to what we expected, because the song has amassed 40 million views now, the time when this video has been recorded, and I'm surprised how amazing this song is. Now I see why people literally click on this song to stream, to listen. It's all making sense, bro.
Yeah, we build the empire. You walk your ass, you got it on layer. Make it our own empire. Symphony of
Blah, 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 blah. Mambakla, dog. Yo, stunning, absolutely stunning, bro.
never phase out. Let the noise on the loud.
Yo, this is smooth and sick, bro. Damn, bro. Yo! Oh, oh my god, yo. Music is sweet, my boy. Holy cows! Sweet Mother of Mary. Oh my god, yo. This is amazing. This is way too much for me. Excited, but I'm more excited now. Damn.
Gravity, ain't no chase on my mind. No face in the face,
No way. No way. This is enjoying, bro.
Yeah, live the way, got no time to waste. Shit in the night, rest marking the axis. Chasing above the line, chasing above the line. Issue no heartbeat.
Sick! Absolutely sick! Oh! Yo! Voices, breath control. Hey! It's all in control, bro. The snowmen, damn. They are so cold with these lyrics, bro.
We're gonna reach you high, narrow cloud of night, middle to the middle, yeah. We build the empire, you walk inside.
Oh my god! Stupendously amazing, dog. Yo! No way, dog. No way, bro. No way, no way. Yo, the dances. No, the dances are so hilarious, bro. Yo, the energy, yo, the vibe, my G. Let's keep vibing, bro. Another expounding job. Another one. I almost forgot, bro. I almost forgot that they are really good at dancing. Trust me, and the routine, it's neat as fuck, bro. And another bonus with the dancing, the three-piece suit, the combination, yo, the lineup, yo, sick! With all this being said, right, they have now gone into soft music, relaxing music. Yo, this is so much of a multi-talented task.
Yeah, let me the way, breaking through the haze, shedding the nightmares, facing the axis.
Oh my god, this is very good. I mean, like, from one soft music to a chorus music. That's intense. That's intense. No, the whole team? No, it's an whole team. Yo, it's a whole school now doing the dance, dog. Yo, bomba clat. Talk about neat. Talk about completion, bro. No way. And this is why I love them so much. They always seems to delivering. Always. Amazing music, guys. Snowmen, you guys never yet failed. Trust me on that, bro. You guys did great. I enjoyed every moment of that. Trust me. Trust me. Everything is so properly well done. You guys have outdone yourselves once more. And I'm always looking forward for more reactions. I mean, like, I'm so late 2 days after, bro. That's crazy. But nevertheless, I'm here. So if you guys read thus for this reaction, please leave a like, smash a subscribe button to become a member of the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in the next video.